In this video, we are going to look at how to buy the Baby Dogecoin on your mobile phone. It is that simple, but please do note whatever I'm going to show in this video does not represent expert financial advice. Do make your research before you part with your money. We're also giving away 1 million Shiba Inu coins to one of our subscribers on this channel. All you have to do to participate is to make sure you are subscribed to this channel, engage with our content, and you might be our next winner. Having said this, let's jump right into the video. On your mobile phone, go to Play Store. You click that, it opens. You're gonna come to Play Store like this, okay, and then you're gonna search Trust Wallet. It's gonna bring you to this app here. It says update here, okay, because I already have it installed on my phone. For you, if you don't have it installed, it's gonna say download, okay. So you're gonna click the download button, download it and install it, and then sign up for an account and log in, okay. So once you're logged in, it's gonna look like this, okay. It's gonna say $0 here because you just signed up for an account. If you're an existing user that understands this, okay, you could possibly have some amount of money here. So the next thing is to buy BNB. Okay, so to buy the Baby Dogecoin, you would need BNB, and to buy BNB, there are different ways we can go about it. The first way is to click that BNB button. It's gonna bring us to this here, okay. So we want to buy, you click this buy button. The moment you click this buy button, you'll be able to buy BNB. So if you click that button, it's gonna bring you to this, okay. So all you need to do is to click the amount, put in the amount of money you want to use to buy BNB, and then you'll be able to buy BNB. Okay, another problem with this method is that the minimum amount of money you need to be able to buy BNB here is $50. Okay, so if you don't have $50, you might not be able to use this method. Okay, so if you have $50 and credit card transactions are allowed in your country with regards to buying cryptocurrencies, then you can use this method. If that's not allowed, then you go back, okay, and then I'll show you the next thing you need to do. Okay, so now the next thing we need to do is to get BNB. Mind you, what we're trying to do is to have BNB in here. Okay, so the next thing is you could transfer BNB from some other wallet, okay, or from some other exchange or cryptocurrency platform to this place, okay. And we have a lot of those platforms. We have Hotbit, we have Coinbase, we have Binance, we have Probit, we have Bitmart. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna very quickly show you how you can transfer BNB from Binance to this place. Okay, so let's go to Binance. So on Binance, on my Binance mobile app, okay, so it looks like this. So what I'm gonna do is come to this place where it says wallet down here. You can see that. So click that wallet. It's gonna bring me to this place. Okay, so it says sport, brings me to where it says sport. Okay, so basically you're gonna see here I have a few BNB, very small amount of BNB here. So what I'm gonna do is to click this button here, to click this BNB here. So if I click it, it brings me to this page. So what I'm gonna do is withdraw this BNB to my Trust wallet, okay, and that's it. I can also buy BNB here using my credit card. Okay, see the same process I was talking about. So you click this, and then you follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be able to buy BNB using your credit card. Okay, just like I showed you, you could also do that with Trust wallet. Okay, now the next thing to do is to click this withdraw button. Okay, so I'll click withdraw, and then boom, it shows me this. So I need to paste my wallet address. So what wallet address am I supposed to paste here? I'm supposed to paste my BNB wallet address from Trust wallet. So if I come back to my Trust wallet, okay, come back to this BNB, I need to get the receiving address. So I click this receive button here. Okay, I'm gonna copy this, copy it. Okay, so that's copied. So I'm gonna go back to my Binance. So here on my Binance, all I need to do is to paste the address. Okay, so I have the address pasted. All I need to do now is to put in the amount of BNB I need. Okay, so let's say you want to use all the BNB you have in there to make this purchase. You need to click max. Okay, for you, if you don't need the maximum amount, you could put in the quantity you want in here, and then the next thing you need to do is to click this withdraw button, okay, and then you'll be able to withdraw BNB directly to your wallet. So the moment you click this, okay, and come back to your Trust wallet, then BNB is gonna show here, guys. So that's how you can transfer BNB from your Binance to this place. Okay, the process is still the same. Let's say you're transferring from Bitmart, Probit, Hotbit, whatever, the same process. Okay, so you get your BNB in here. So let's go back to that Binance again. Let me show you something very quickly. Let's say you don't have BNB at all. Okay, so if I click wallet, for instance, there is no BNB at all here, because you might be saying, okay, you were able to do this because you already have BNB here. Like I told you, if you don't have BNB, you could simply buy the BNB. Okay, but let's say I don't have BNB and maybe I have USDT or maybe I have BUSD. All I need to do is to click where it says market. If I click that market there, and then up here search BNB. So if I search BNB, it shows me the currency pairs I could use to buy BNB. So on Binance, I could use USDT to buy BNB, BUSD to buy BNB, TUSD, USDC. There are a lot of them here that I could use to buy BNB. So let's say I already have USDT on my Binance. All I need to do is to click this, and very quickly it brings me to a page that looks like this. Then I click this buy button. So the moment I click buy button, it's gonna bring me to a page like this. So I'll make sure I move this yellow button here to this place where it says market. Okay, and what I need to do is, so let's say I want to use all my USDT. You can see USDT is showing somewhere here. Let's say I want to use 50% of my USDT. All I need to do is to click that 50% button. Let's say I want to use 100. I'll click the 100% button, and then I click buy. Okay, once I do this, what is basically happening is exchanging whatever currency I have here for BNB. Okay, so that's how you can use whatever currency pair you have, basically USD and BNB, the popular ones, to exchange for BNB, and then you have BNB in your wallet. So once you have BNB, once you've done this, you have BNB automatically in your wallet. So you click this wallet button, and that's how you'll be able to have some BNB in here, and then you go through the process I told you before, withdrawing and pasting your Trust wallet address here, and then you'll be able to do that. Okay, let's say you don't want to go through the market route. You could go through this P2P method here. Let's say you don't even have any money here at all. You don't want to use the bank card method. You don't even have USDT here. You could use P2P. Let's say you live in a country like Nigeria where there are cryptocurrency restrictions. You can't use your bank card on Binance, so you could use P2P there. Okay, for example, click that P2P, where you see where it says BNB, click that BNB button. Where it says buy, you click buy button. It's gonna bring you to this point here. So you're gonna look for somebody selling at the limit you want. Okay, so this is the price this person is selling for BNB, and then you check the range you want. You click the buy button. Okay, you click that buy button, you click the amount of BNB you want to buy, and then you click buy. Okay, and you will see bank details will be generated for you. You're gonna use those bank details, transfer the amount you want to buy directly into the person's account, and the person is going to release a BNB. Okay, so I have videos where I bought some of that cryptocurrencies using this method. I'm going to leave those videos in the description below this video, so you could just use those videos to understand better on how to do this. Okay, so let's go back to our Trust wallet. So here now on Trust wallet, so let's say I already have BNB. I didn't do that transfer, I didn't withdraw that. So let's say we have BNB. The next thing you would have to do is to click it. The moment you click it, the next thing to do is to click where it says more. Click that button there. It's gonna bring this. So you come here and say swap to smart chain. So you click swap to smart chain. So what you're doing now is you're swapping your BNB to BNB smart chain. So okay, so you're gonna click the quantity of BNB you want to swap to smart chain, and click swap. Let's say you want to swap 50% of it. You click that 50% button, and then you swap. Okay, and then the moment you swap, click the swap button, you will have it swapped. Okay, so now once you've done that, the next thing to do is to come back to your this page, okay, and click this place where it says dApps. Okay, so you click that dApps button, and then you're gonna see this search option here. You're gonna search Pancakeswaps. For me, I don't have to search it, it's already showing here. Make sure what you're searching has this logo. Okay, so you search it if it's not showing here already. So mine is showing. I'm just gonna click that, and then it brings me to this page here. What I need to do now is to exchange the BNB I have for Baby Dogecoin. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do is to click this place here, click it, and then I'm gonna search Baby Doge. It's already showing here, but I wouldn't advise doing this, okay, because we have a lot of fraudulent coins, okay, copycats out there trying to copy different coins. Okay, so you might see some of those coins here, because I can actually create a coin, copy a certain coin, and even have it on Pancakeswaps. Okay, and then you come here and buy the fake one, and you think you're buying the original coin, and you wouldn't know you're buying a copy of the original coin, and then you lose your money. So the moment you click this, the advisable thing to do is to go to CoinMarketCap to get the contract address of the coin. Okay, so you're gonna come to Google and search coinmarketcap.com, and then it's gonna bring you to a page that looks like this. So what we're gonna do now is to search Baby Dogecoin. Go to this search option here and search it. Okay, we searched Baby Dogecoin, and this is already showing. So what we need to do is to come to this place. Let me kind of like zoom it in. Okay, now you come to this place where it says contracts. Okay, so you're gonna copy this. So that's all you need to do. Copy that, and then you go back to Trust Wallet. So here on Trust Wallet, all I need to do is to paste that contract address in here. So I've pasted it. You can see Baby Doge is already showing. So I click that, boom. So that is it. Now I have it here. So all I need to do now is to put the details I have. Okay, so let's say I need 1 million Baby Doge coins. All I need to do is to type in 1 million Baby Dogecoin here, and once I'm done putting in the quantity I want, I'm gonna see swap option here, and then the moment you're done putting that, and then you click the swap option, and then you'll be able to swap your BNB for Baby Dogecoin. And then after that swapping, then you come back to here where it says wallets. You'll be able to see Baby Dogecoin somewhere here. Okay guys, so this is how to easily buy Baby Dogecoin. So in this video, we basically covered how you can buy the Baby Dogecoin using BNB by first having BNB. Okay, I showed you how you can buy BNB on this platform, how you can transfer it from other platforms, for example Binance, how you can even buy it on Binance, okay, before transferring it to this platform. Okay, so this is how you can buy the Baby Dogecoin, guys. So this is BrigsLBs, is your guy Ken signing out.